Hi everyone, Becky and Mike here. Our mission is to teach adults and children how to become Crabby Masters. We have created a whole series of books to help us with that. The series is called Crabby Masters Beat the Crabbies. Today we will share with you Here Come the Crabbies. The king is saying, do not read this book. But of course, we will read the book. Here come the Crabbies. Here we are. We are the Crabbies. Let us introduce ourselves. I am the King Crabby. I am in charge of all the Crabbies. I am too tired. I am hungry. I am junk food. I am achy. I am can't do. I am get along. And I am hurry up. Our mission is to ruin your day, and we've got a plan. We can pull this off. We know we can. Tomorrow there will be a party for Kay. It's her birthday. Too Tired will keep her up all night. Yes, he knows how to do it right. Hungry will keep them at play, so they won't stop to eat all day. But when they do, never fear, junk food will be near. He'll fill their bellies with lots of treats, and Achy will make them sick from all the sweets. Can't Do will make sure the party's a flop. Instead of having fun, they'll drop with a plop. Next, we'll send in Get Along, and everything will start to go wrong. Hurry Up will have Kay's mom and dad in such a rush, they'll be so tired they'll turn to mush. And I, the king, will dance and sing, because my Crabbies can ruin everything.
There you are, Kay. I've got something to say. I ran and ran to tell you their plan. The Crabbies want to ruin your day. We have to stop them right away. We have to get a good night's sleep. The Crabbies want us to be so tired we weep. They want Mom and Dad to rush and turn to mush. They want us to play and forget to eat. They want us to only eat something sweet. They want Achy to do his trick. They want us all to get sick. They know if we don't get our rest, we won't be at our very best. Don't worry, Jay, it will be okay. We are Crabby Masters. Yes, yay, yup. We will power up. Yes, yay, yup. We know how to power up. We really need to plan ahead. Tell all the Crabby Masters to go to bed.
The party has started. Now it's time to see. Let's move in on the count of 3. They all look happy and filled with glee. It looks like the Crabby Masters beat me. This is the worst. They ate good food first. They had some cake, but just a slice. They're getting along. They're being nice. They won.
We're the Crabby Masters. Of course we won. As for you 8, I think you're done. We beat you good. We knew we could. Bye-bye, Crabbies. Don't come back. We are Crabby Masters. We stay on track.
There's the king. He said, you got me. Of course we got him. We are Crabby Masters. If you have heard us read other Crabby Master books, you know that these yellow pages give us Crabby Master tips that will help us have a good day. Before we look at a few of those tips, let's talk about why we want to beat the Crabbies. Here is page 25. It says, they all look happy and filled with glee. They sure do look happy, like they are having a great time, don't they? I don't know about you, but I can imagine how some days those same 4 kids could have problems sharing that ball. How different would this picture look if all of them were grabbing for the ball at the same time? Or I could also imagine that one of them could be sitting down pouting because he or she wished that Jay had used the blue or the purple ball. When things go wrong like that, we Crabby Masters know that it is because some little Crabbies are trying to sneak into our day. That's what this book was all about. Let's check out those yellow pages now and get some tips. This says, beware, the Crabbies like to team up. Here they are, all together and making a plan, hoping they can spoil Kay's birthday. This tip says it's Crabby Masters versus the Crabbies. It's like a game for us. It's no big deal that the Crabbies are making a plan because Crabby Masters are a team too, and they know what to do to beat those Crabbies. Crack down on Crabbies and make it a great day.